whatever this is. So, keep watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. You know. How are we feeling today, on this night, on this evening, at whatever time you're watching this video? How are we? How are we today? Are we good? We're good? Are we good? Okay, it looks cakey. It just looks awful. And I'm gonna tell you why. So, earlier in the day, I actually did the first half of this video, but then I ran out of space and I didn't feel like deleting my life away, so I had to stop. But now, obviously, I got it together. Pause. Before I go on, before we go on, before we move on, I just want to say, we're trying to get our channel back to where it was and where it should be. You feel me? Shout out to everybody who's left a like, comment, who's been with us since day one. Okay, shout out to you. I don't know when or how soon, but we will reply to everybody. Everybody. Pause. We should be able to reply to everybody. Let me just say that.